Do you find yourself reusing similar workflows across your team in Kestra? Well, you should start using custom blueprints to streamline this process. Inside of Kestra, we have community blueprints, which give you a bunch of ready-to-go examples on various different tasks. This is great if you're looking for something on how to use something on AWS or Google Cloud, but sometimes you might want to have custom blueprints that suit scenarios inside of your team. For example, if I go to custom blueprints, I could create a custom blueprint that automatically clones my repository and runs a bunch of build commands to set up the repository for running my code. And if you use a similar scenario for a bunch of different workflows, but with some additional steps at the end that might change, a custom blueprint is ideal for this scenario. Here's an example where I want to clone a repository and run my Python code with an installation command. This is designed that I can easily update the variables to suit different repositories in my organization, but the groundwork has been done for me with this already set up. So I can add later tasks that get values out of the code and process them later, which helps to promote reusability, but also enable collaboration across your team. Teams can now focus on adding the new part of the workflow rather than recreating logic that has existed in other workflows and therefore potentially duplicating work. To use this blueprint, I can just press use here. It gives me it ready for me to edit and I can press save. So I can immediately start running it and modifying it without having to repeat myself, but also dig through other workflows to figure out where we've used this sort of logic before to make sure that I haven't got to try and reinvent the wheel. Custom blueprints are a fantastic way for enabling collaboration across your team, also encouraging reusability. Let us know in the comments below how you're using custom blueprints to reuse similar workflows efficiently.